Welcome back everybody. This is Careless Vlogs and I'm Kevin. Um I came with an idea. I didn't really notice it until when I uploaded the video. Was it Sunday? So Sunday. Yeah. Um the quality of the video is bad, but it's not that bad. It can be seen. So I thought to myself, why not still upload videos but short clips. So I'll be uploading short clips for now until I get back a better phone or get my laptop fixed. So yeah, I'll be uploading short clips. Not sure what I'll be uploading, but I'll just upload random videos for now. So yeah, now I got out of bed. Just finished doing some workout. Yes, people, I still do my workout. So by the time I'm ready for you guys, you're gonna see me do my full workout. No pressure. Well, I still feel a little pressure, but not that bad as I used to feel. Yeah, I do way more push-ups now. Yeah, as you can see, though my shirt and you can see my chest is kind of getting a little bit. It's still small, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So yeah, I feel good. I feel good. Um, I just checked out my video a couple of seconds ago, and I saw that people watching the video, and I got a comment from the video. I don't remember who exactly. I need to go and check back at that. But I did reply though. I did reply. Thanks for support. I really appreciate it. Love you guys so much. So yeah. So today, what should I do today? I have no clue. But this mainly just to tell you guys what I'm planning to do. Let's see here. Yeah. Well, since I'm here, why not show you what I can do now? I'm no longer struggling to do 20 push-ups. I'm doing 30 now. Struggling to do 30, but I'm doing 30 now. You wanna see? Let me show you. Okay, for some reason this phone cannot pause, so I can't pause the video. Or can stop it. So I was gonna place the phone somewhere here so you guys can see me, I guess. Yes, okay. I'm gonna do 30 push-ups for you guys today. Okay? So 30 push-ups. Let's go. Whew. Remember other day, guys, my first video, I was doing 20s and I was struggling. I'm gonna 30. It's a bit hard, but 20s easy now. So maybe eventually, by a couple more months, I guess I can do 50. So yeah, that's the end of my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't much, but that's all I can do for now. So I appreciate love that I've been getting from you guys and support. And Kevin, this is Careless Vlogs, and I'm out.